Alright traders, we're back with one more setup. We have to do it quickly and fast. So this time the pair is AUDUSD. Let's check the date and the time right now. So refresh, and the date and the time is 3:08 p.m. Tuesday 5th of May 2026 in EST. Coming back to the chart right here. This is 4-hour time frame. So we are going to go long, okay? So we can enter here on AUDUSD. We can go long, and my take profit is not fixed, so I will leave it running, and when I will book my profits I will come and record the other part of the video. Okay, so it's not fixed TP. I'm expecting to get at least 100 pips in this. We'll see how it works out. It might take 1 to 2 weeks to get the get where I want to get. Okay, so anyways, we are long from here and we'll wait for 1 to 2 weeks or maybe less. We'll see how it goes, and I'll tell you how much did I make. So remember the date and the time and this candle, and I'll see you in the next videos. Until then, if you want to join the program, check out the link below this video, or you might be already on the page. So go and join. Otherwise, just keep watching me making the money. Till then, see you again. Alright guys, we're back here with our take profit video. So let's check the date and the time first. It is refresh it first. So it is 8:01 a.m. Friday 15th of May 2026 in EST, and I have closed this trade yesterday. So let me show you. AUDUSD, where is it? It's here, 14th of May. So we booked a profit yesterday, and I'm recording the video later on. I don't have time every day to do this, okay? So AUDUSD is what? AUDUSD, we entered at 7188 and an exit at 7221. So I guess 33 pips in this one. Okay, 98,818. Yeah, 33 pips. So we made 33 pips in AUDUSD. Coming back, our entry was this candle, I guess, on 5th of May, 10 days ago, maybe 9 days ago, because we booked yesterday. So it took 9 days, okay? So I think we entered long on 5th of May. Okay, go and check the date in the first part of the video. I don't even remember. Okay, so this is the entry, and then we went up, consolidation, and then when this flow was about to break, yesterday, it was time to exit. Okay, remember I said that I will exit manually. I did not have any fixed TP in this one. I told you I will take my profits manually. Okay, there was a reason for that. Anyways, profit is profit. 33 pips in AUDUSD. It's a slow mover. Don't expect 100 pips in AUDUSD, okay? Or maybe nzdusd, whatever, okay, whatever. I don't care. Because you see here, we trade many pairs at the same time. So you can see a couple of reds, red here, maybe red here, but all of them are green, by the way, okay? 5,000 here, 3,000 here, 2,000 here, 6,000 here, 3,000 here. What else do you want, man? Come on, give me a break. So yeah, we are out, and if you want these setups before they happen, then help yourself. I can't do any more help to you because I am showing you more than enough proofs which anybody will show you on the planet. Do you understand? I record the video on 5th of May at this candle, and I record the video on 15th of May after 10 days at this candle, and we show you that the profit was booked for every setup on this page which you see. So if I am saying on 5th of May we're going to go up, then we are going to go up. Okay, yes, there will be losses, but the point is, if you can be in positive for 60% cases and negative in 40%, then you always win. Okay, nobody is perfect, but you have to be right most of the time. I am happy. It's not about if I made 30 pips or how many $1,000 did I make. No, what makes me happy is I was right. That's it. Peace of mind. Okay, when you know you were right, money will come later. So if you want to help yourself, go and join the program. There's not much help I can do. I am giving you more than enough proofs you will ever need to get convinced, okay? So go and join the program if you want to. You'll find the link below the video, or maybe you're already on the sales page. If not, then just keep watching me making this kind of money. Till then, see you again.